So I want to say this: the last time someone just commented that I should try, Capture One and Photoshop to see. You want to just want to know something about this. So I'm gonna show you how I use this capture this blemishes, everything, just clean the face, and use the Photoshop to just work on the skin, the color grading and stuff. So I'm gonna show you the step by step how to do it, and let's get to it. So okay, so this is my capture one, and here is my Photoshop. Okay, here's my Photoshop. So only thing we're gonna do is that let's start from this. Okay, so let's start from the capture one. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do today. The capture one. This is my footage, and here I just want to clean this to make the face look clean. So there's things you need to just choose. Okay, so you have to choose the retouch. So this is the retouch is going to guide you to just to clean the face. It helps you to just work on the teeth and the eye, but we will get to there. But let's just stick to this. Okay, so first thing you're gonna do is that, have you seen the face? So this is what I'm going to do. You're going to click here, okay, the blemishes, and you're going to push it to 100%. Okay, so just wait. It's just preparing retouching, and everything's going to change, and I'm going to show you how it's just work. Okay, this is something easy, no stress to work on it. Okay, so all the thing you're going to do is you're going to click before and after, so it's going to show you how this just work. Okay, so let's see the before and after. Before and after. Let me just get close. Okay, so you can see the before and after, the before and after. Okay, so this is how it is, and you can just work on those stuffs. Okay, the skin. Okay, you can work on the even skin. Okay, so this is what you're gonna get. You can see here was dark and here is the dark. You can see, so when I move the amount, you can see if things just change. Let me just go back again and see. Let's make it fast. So here's before and here's after. Okay, so just clean things on her face, and you can see clear that this is what we just get. And let's see, you can see the before and after. Okay, so let me just make it like this. You can see the before and after, so this is what you get. And let me just mute this. So when you're done with it, you can just work on the textures. Okay, so if you don't want it to be much more, okay, you can just see it's around here. Okay, let's see the before, okay, the after. So I don't want it too much, I don't want the texture too much, so I want to stick to here. Okay, to 65, and it will come to here. Okay, you can see the dodging pain. Okay, it's just give you a notch or something. It's not going to stress too much about this, so you can see this is so natural. I really love it, so I'm gonna stick to let's make it 70. 70. There, make it 70, and let's check the before and after. So anytime you just work on it, just check the before and after, before and after. Okay, you can see the face, and I'm going to take it in the mirror again, and here's it, and we don't have it here because her eyes was closed, so and you can see the teeth and all. So when you're done with it, come here. Okay, so come here and just move to here, click. Okay, click the export, and it come to open with Photoshop. So it's going to automatically just move to Photoshop. Okay, so this is what you're gonna get. Okay, so it's going to show here. Okay, it's automatically just going to appear. So when you get to here, just move to the camera raw, the filter, the camera raw. So the camera raw you're going to use to just grade in the face and just complete everything we just need from this, this image. Okay, so you come to the black and you move the black to 24 or 25, and you can see the before and after. So when you're done with it, you move to the contrast. Okay, so I'm going to use the contrast to cover here. You can see sometimes you need to make sure you're going to cover the places you need to just hide, or you can just treat it before you just move to the side. Okay, so I am just going to make it more, but you need to be careful with that. Okay, so when we're done with this, okay, check it before and after. So I'm gonna work the colors, the face colors and stuff. So I'm going to move to the red. So when I move to the red, just increase it. Okay, you can just lower it or something, but just increase it to 39, and then come to the orange and make sure you move the orange to around 30 or 31. Okay, so when I move to the 30 or 31, you can check the before and the after. So you are not done yet, and then you come to the yellow. Okay, so when you move to this side, this is where the mistake is. You need to check the background. There's a little fault. Okay, so I'm going to take it out like this, and then I'll come to color noise reduction, and then I'm gonna, okay, so when you're done with it, then you come to the vibrance, and you take it down like this. Okay, and then you're going to increase this a little bit, and then you come to here and push it like this, and the shadow. So when done with it, then you save it. Okay, so we are done. So we are done, and this is something you're gonna get from this, and this is very important. So guys, I'm gonna see you for the next video. Bye.